Have you ever found yourself sweating bullets while negotiating the price of a car, wishing that you had insider knowledge to get the best deal? Well, let me tell you about my first car story. I went into a dealership. I had been driving an old Toyota Corolla that one door didn't open and it was crank windows, no air conditioning, Washington, D.C. in August. It's a sauna. I went into a Honda dealership and actually ran into somebody I had gone to college with who was selling cars there. And I came out with a brand new white Honda CRX back when the CRX was first out. I was so thrilled, so delighted, loved my new car until I talked to my father. Then I found out that I had overpaid for it so much, been taken advantage of so much, that it was going to be 5, 6, 7 years before I ever even got to break even. I was angry. Well, mastering the art of dealing with and working with contractors for your next home and your renovation or your rehab could save you even more money than at the dealership. In fact, it could save you thousands of dollars. Now, you may be surprised about this, but it's really true. I'm Bobby Moore, and if you're looking to dive into home renovations without overspending, you've found somebody who can help. I have over 30 years of experience renovating and fixing up houses. I've learned what it takes to come out on top with a beautiful home that you love. I'm here to share that often overlooked art of negotiating with contractors, which is really surprisingly similar to buying a new car. Our mission at Net Gain Real Estate is simple, but it's ambitious. It's to empower you to be your own general contractor. This isn't just about saving a few bucks. We're talking thousands of dollars, 20, 30% from what it could be otherwise, helping you avoid costly pitfalls, making sure your renovation exceeds your expectations and you love what you've got in the end. Isn't that what you want? So stick with me here and let's transform how you approach your next project. Having bought and sold dozens of properties, I know the renovation or rehab journey can be daunting, but with the right negotiation strategies, a little bit of savvy, you can navigate it like a pro. You'll have it. I'll show you how to take control, communicate effectively with contractors, steer clear of common traps that catch unwary homeowners. So let's get ready to unlock a world of potential savings while bringing your vision to life exactly as you dreamed it would be. The key to a flying start is knowing your project inside and out. Before reaching out to contractors, you want to arm yourself with knowledge, just like you're doing right here with watching this video. Understand exactly what you want, from materials all the way down to finishes. This clarity helps communicate your vision and keeps away unnecessary upsells and unnecessary issues. When you start negotiating, remember, this is where your inner savvy shopper shines. So for those of you who like shopping and getting a deal, you're going to love this. Okay, now we're going to get into a few tips. Tip number 1, get multiple bids. Just like you wouldn't buy a car from the first dealer without comparing, you wouldn't do that, would you? Because I'm testimony to what happens when you do. I've never done that since. Don't settle on the first contractor quote. Aim for at least 3 to ensure you've got something to negotiate with. Number 2, be upfront about your budget from the get-go. Don't mess around with this one. A reputable contractor will work with you to adjust the scope to fit your budget without compromising quality. It's not about cutting corners. It's about smart spending and getting what you want at a price that's reasonable. These are a few of the tips and steps we offer our clients that help them easily save $10,000 and as much as $40,000 on their project. What would you do with those kinds of savings? Next tip, negotiation doesn't end when the contract is signed. It's an ongoing process. As we hit pit stops, remember that changes and challenges are part of every renovation journey. When unexpected issues arise, and they will, just stay calm and renegotiate. Sometimes you don't even have to do that, but it can happen on occasion. Whether it's extra work or material price hikes, approach each hurdle as opportunities to revisit the budget and timeline. Flexibility and open communication with your contractor can lead to creative solutions that keep your project on track, on time, and within the budget. Finally, the last tip, crossing the finish line, involves finalizing the deal. This crucial stage requires keeping a keen eye on the details here. Even if details, and it's not my strong suit, isn't your strong suit, you need to pay attention to them. Make sure that everything that's discussed is in the contract, from the timeline and the payment schedules to a detailed scope of work and material specs, if they're included. You need to know these details. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification or adjustments before signing. We have a lot of clients that are like, well, I didn't want to bother them, or I didn't want them to know that I didn't understand. Contractors are used to the fact that most of their clients don't know or understand these things or haven't dealt with them yet. So ask all the questions that you need to get things cleared up before you take action. And remember, negotiation isn't about winning or losing here. It's reaching a fair agreement that respects your budget and the contractor's expertise. You want to build a positive relationship that can lead to better pricing, higher quality work, and valuable advice saving you money elsewhere. So mastering the contractor conversation means, 1, being prepared. The more you know what you want, the stronger your negotiation position. Number 2, comparing and contrasting. Multiple bids aren't just about the lowest price. It's understanding market rates, finding the best value, and the person that you can work with successfully. Number 3, communicating clearly, as we've said before. Be transparent about your budget and open to aligning the project scope with financial realities. Sometimes that's what's required. 4, staying flexible. Use any challenges that come up as leverage points, not roadblocks. Work with each other to make it a success. 5, being detail-oriented. Ensure all agreements are clearly outlined before work begins. By adopting these strategies, you're making your project head toward success while safeguarding your investment, and being an effective negotiator doesn't require a business degree, just preparation, patience, and psychological savvy. And there you have it, a roadmap to successfully navigating your home renovation project. By embracing the role of general contractor, you're not only taking control of your renovation, you're unlocking a world of potential savings and ensuring that your vision comes to life exactly as you've imagined it, no one else. With the strategies we've discussed, you're well equipped to lead your renovation project with confidence and finesse, and we have dozens more that we can share with you. If you'd like additional strategies and support that would save you 20 to 30% on the project, leave a message below or contact us at netgainrealestate.com. Together, let's build not just homes, but dreams. Here's to your success.